In this video, we are going to see how we can clean up the formatting issues in Excel just by using some simple techniques. So here we have the example of this particular data. By the way, guys, you will find this file with the resources section of this video. So we have this kind of data here. As we can notice that some of the borders are applied and some are not. And also some of the columns are filled in a particular color. So I don't want that, and I want it to be a proper format. Even in the headings, you will notice that around some headings, there are borders at the end, and in the other ones, that's not the case. So what we'll do is just select the whole table, Control A, and I'll use a simple golden shortcut, Alt HEF. See how quickly I remove the format. How did I remove it? Just press Alternate key and press H to guide you through the Home tab. And since we know that it's under Clear, we want to clear the formats, E and then F. So HEF is the combination to remove the formatting completely. After that, we will just apply Control T to format it as table and hit Enter. Now you will get a certain format, and you will notice that it's in the table design. Not only that, you will get a special tab of table design, and you can change it to any format you want like this, and that's how you can resolve it. Now, if you don't want that additional table features that comes with it, you can just right click here, go to the table and convert it back to the range. Click yes. And after that, we just have to make a small change in the formatting. For example, for the date format, I need to change it to a short date. And for the monthly pay, we might need to change it to the comma style. And after that, we just remove or decrease the decimal places, and that's how we can make the formatting corrections in Excel. Just try this by yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.